The tech industry has a terrible habit of calling every minor update a revolution. Most years, we get a slightly faster chip, maybe a new color option, and we are expected to rush out and upgrade. But every once in a while, a device leaks that actually justifies the hype and forces the entire industry to pivot. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are looking closely at the verified supply chain reports and insider leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and it is clear that Samsung is no longer just competing with other tablets. They are launching a calculated, full-scale assault on the premium laptop market. This device is an absolute monster, packed with desktop-grade silicon, a groundbreaking display technology, and a massive shift in build materials. If you rely on portable tech for serious work, content creation, or heavy media consumption, this is the deep dive you need to hear. Let us begin with the chassis, because the physical presence of the Tab S12 Ultra is undergoing a massive transformation. For the first time in their tablet lineup, Samsung is completely ditching standard aluminum. Multiple reliable supply chain sources confirm the S12 Ultra will feature a precision-milled Grade 5 titanium frame. We have seen titanium on flagship smartphones, but applying it to a canvas of this size is an engineering marvel. This alloy provides an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. It allows Samsung to keep the tablet incredibly thin. Rumors point to an unbelievable 5mm profile while ensuring it remains incredibly rigid. You are getting a massive device that will not flex, bend, or warp in your travel bag, all while shedding the heavy, cumbersome weight that usually plagues large-format tablets. It is going to feel undeniably premium the second you pick it up. However, the defining feature of any tablet is the display, and Samsung is fixing the one glaring issue that fans have complained about for years. The notch is gone. The Tab S12 Ultra completely eliminates the camera cutout that interrupted the display on previous Ultra models. Samsung is finally implementing their refined under-display camera 2.0 technology on a massive scale, seamlessly hiding the front-facing ultra-wide lenses beneath the active pixels. What you are left with is a pure, uninterrupted, edge-to-edge 14.6-inch canvas. And the quality of that canvas is taking a generational leap. Samsung is introducing a state-of-the-art Tandem OLED panel to the Tab S12 Ultra. By stacking two distinct OLED light-emitting layers, this screen does not just look better, it fundamentally changes how you can use the device outdoors. We are looking at an astonishing peak brightness of up to 3000 nits. Combined with an aggressive new anti-reflective glass coating that diffuses harsh light, you can comfortably edit color-graded video or review highly detailed architectural blueprints in direct, bright sunlight. The Tandem OLED technology also drastically increases the lifespan of the panel, meaning zero worries about burn-in even if you leave static interface elements on your screen for hours at a time. It is, without a doubt, going to be the most color-accurate and visually striking display ever put on a portable device. But all those pixels and that incredible brightness require a very specific kind of engine. For the S12 Ultra, Samsung is equipping this machine with the heavily anticipated Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor. Built on a hyper-efficient 3nm architecture, this chip is specifically binned and optimized for sustained, high-wattage performance. But the processor is only half the story. The leak that is sending shockwaves through the tech community is the memory. Samsung is allegedly offering a top-tier configuration featuring a staggering 24GB of RAM. Let that number sink in for a moment. 24GB of RAM in a tablet. That is significantly more memory than most professionals have in their current desktop workstations. This is not just a specification to look good on a spec sheet, it is a fundamental shift in capability. With 24GB of memory, you can load multiple massive raw video files into your timeline, have 30 heavily loaded browser tabs open, run background rendering tasks, and jump between all of them instantaneously without a single stutter or reloaded app. This brings us to the software, because running standard Android applications on 24GB of RAM would be a massive waste of potential. Enter Neural DeX. While Samsung DeX has always been a great way to get a desktop-like interface on an external monitor, Neural DeX is a completely rebuilt, AI-integrated operating environment designed specifically for the S12 Ultra. It runs natively on the device itself and utilizes the neural processing unit to manage your workflow. Neural DeX finally brings true, uncompromised desktop window management to Android. It understands context. If you launch a professional 3D modeling application, Neural DeX instantly suspends background resource hogs and allocates all available RAM and GPU power directly to your active workspace. It allows you to drag and drop files exactly like you would on a Windows or Mac machine, completely blurring the line between a mobile operating system and a fully fledged desktop environment. To keep a 14.6-inch Tandem OLED screen and a desktop-tier processor running all day, Samsung had to rethink the battery technology. The S12 Ultra will reportedly house a massive 11,800 mAh battery cell. Thanks to the extreme efficiency of the new Snapdragon architecture, testers are reportedly seeing upwards of 15 hours of continuous, heavy mixed use. When you do finally need to plug in, you will not be waiting long. The device is expected to support blazing fast 80-watt wired charging, giving you hours of productivity from just a brief 15-minute charge at the airport or in a coffee shop. Finally, we cannot talk about a Samsung tablet without talking about the S Pen. The S12 Ultra will ship with the brand new S Pen Pro 3 included in the box. The major addition this year is the inclusion of a micro-haptic engine inside the stylus itself. As you drag the pen across the glass, it generates incredibly precise, subtle vibrations that accurately simulate the tactile friction of writing on high-quality paper or sketching with a graphite pencil. Paired with the 120 Hz display and zero-latency AI stroke prediction, it is the most organic and responsive digital writing tool ever engineered. So, when is this titanium powerhouse hitting the market, and what is the damage to your bank account? Based on Samsung's historical launch windows and the current manufacturing timeline, expect a massive global Unpacked event later this year in late summer or early fall. Because this device utilizes ultra-premium materials like Grade 5 titanium and Tandem OLED technology, it carries a premium price tag. The base model is expected to launch at $1,299 in the US. If you want the fully maxed-out version with 24 GB of RAM and massive internal storage, you will be looking at a price point closer to $2,000. It is a serious investment, but for the professional who wants to consolidate their heavy laptop and their tablet into one singular, uncompromising device, the S12 Ultra is in a class of its own. The tablet market has been stagnant for years, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is about to completely rewrite the rules. Between the titanium build, the flawless no-notch display, and desktop-level performance, it is hard to find a reason to carry a traditional laptop anymore. We want to know where you stand. Is the addition of 24 GB of RAM and Neural DeX enough to make you switch your entire workflow over to a tablet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one of them. If you appreciate authentic, no-nonsense tech breakdowns, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for TechVibe. We keep you ahead of the curve on all the hardware that actually matters. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.